All right, so welcome back once again. So now we are going to enter a trade. We'll tweak this screen that we are looking at a little more and then enter a trade and see how we will profit with it. So look at the top there. You see, is it like I have the screen? You see this F that is here means indicators. All right. Through the note I sent you, I believe you have read some things about indicators and what they do. So they help us to make technical analysis. All right. So you click at F at the top of your screen, it will lead you to the same place. So a list of indicators. So now here, let's work with moving average. E.M.A. E.M.A. means exponential moving average. So you see what you are looking at here. For the first one, let's set 9, all right. Where we have simple here, the shift 0, the method use exponential, all right. Apply to, leave it at close, all right. For the color, let's use green for this one. I'd like you to do this yourself also, all right. So done. So we see the green line on our chart, all right. Can you see that? We see the green line on our chart. So let's put another what's it called? Another E.M.A. This time around we work on E.M.A. 13. All right. So click here, type E.M.A. 13, shift 0. All right. Method exponential, apply to close. All right. And then the color, let's use color blue. All right. Okay, done. So you see that we now have two E.M.As there. I hope you can see. All right. So we now have two E.M.As. Okay. And then number 3, click. We go to moving average also, and then we look at 21. So now this is the setup. Majority gets this setup and then they stay there. All right. So if you look at it very well, at a point, now I don't have a toucher on my screen where I would have used to just point it so that you can see. Now look at this place. Okay, let me use this one. So look at this point here. All right, where all the E.M.A. that is E.M.A. 9, that is green color, crosses from the top down below the E.M.A. 21, which is red. Have you seen this point? Anytime you notice a cross like this, then if the green crosses downwards, then it means that there's going to be a fall, a downtrend within the short time, and then what you need to do is to sell. So imagine we sell at this point here. And then it falls and falls and falls onto this point here. You'll have entered a profit. I hope you understand that. So this E.M.A. works that way. It works that way. So what you need to look for simply is where the green crosses downwards, and then you set, if you have set your take profit for, let's say 100 pips for example, or how many pips, let's minus it from there. Let me say we stop there, and then all right. So we have moved 211. All right. So even if it's just set for 100, you still be in profit. You understand? So what you need to watch out for is set up these 3 E.M.As: E.M.A. 9, E.M.A. 13, and E.M.A. 21. Me, I'm using colors green, blue, and red respectively. So set it up, set your take profit, set your stop loss. You discover that 90% of the time, or let me say 80 to 90% of the time, you'll be in profit. So this is a strategy that works. It works for Euro USD, all right? It works on the 1 minute time frame. Let's look at the 5 minute time frame. Look at this place here now. See where it crosses. All right? And then you see a very huge downfall. All right? A very huge downtrend. So if you are sold from this top here, And even if you did not stop, you are trailing your profit. You see that you still continue to be in profit. You see, you are still in profit, you are still in profit until this place where it went back up. Alright. And then by the time it crosses here like this again, what do? You start buying because the green has crossed up to the top. So by the time you start buying here too, you discover that you'll be in profit. You understand? Alright, let's look at a buy instance. Now look at this one. Look at this place now. See, see, green crosses up, they start buying. What happens? Let me shrink it. Let me shrink it. You see, this is that point that I just showed us now. This is that point that I just showed us now. So you buy and the market goes up, 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 up. It follows this way. Let me use a, alright. So you buy and then it goes up. You buy and then it goes up that way. Alright. So you see, so you buy and it goes up and you are in profit if you have entered the trade at that point. Alright. So that is it. Let me delete this trend line. So that is it. That is how to enter a profitable trade. And this is the first strategy that I'll be taking you. Alright, the 3 E.M.A strategies. Very soon we'll talk about trend lines, we'll talk about support and resistance lines, we'll also talk about other strategies, we'll talk about divergence strategy also, using stochastic and using RSI. Alright. So thank you for your time. If you have any questions, send me the questions and I'll be available to answer you. Cheers. Regards.